Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review a beautiful product from Swiss Beauty. So today this is going to be a test and try video of a particular thing, and this is in the range primer, sweet mousse foundation, weightless, smooth and velvet touch. So let's talk about the packaging first. I just love this packaging because it is so luxurious and they have given a glass top for this cap, and it is amazing to open. So you don't have to feel whether it's going to be mess or not. So it is going to be secured. Okay, so product is very secured inside the tube bottoms. And next, coming to the packaging range of the wordings, I just love the wordings because they have given in a golden color, white and golden, you know, right? It is almost a luxurious one. And next, coming to the shade range, they have almost a 6 to 7 shade range in this variety. So I have picked a 03 natural beige. So in this product, they have 30 ml of a net product in this tube. Okay, so you don't want to worry about whether it is going to be finish it off or not. So it is going to stay for a longer time. And next, coming to the product velvet touch, as they have mentioned in the package, it is a weightless a velvet touch. So they mean it. So it is very soft and very velvety in touch, and I just love the coverage. So for a daily usage, if you're going for a college, if you're going for an office, definitely for a daily usage, this product is for you. So I have applied in this part of my face, in this left side of my face, and it is giving a smoother finish. You don't want to worry whether it's going to be cakey or runny after 1 hour or 2 hours. No, it's not going to be cakey, not going to be runny after any time. Okay, so it is going to stay for a longer time. So next, definitely you can wear it for occasional, because as we all know, we are this is like a skin like finish. This is like a second skin for yours. So definitely you can choose according to your tone, and this will work amazing. Okay, so next, coming to the price, this retails for 449, where you will get a 30 ml of product. Definitely this worth a lot. So this is not going to be runny, this is not going to be patchy, and definitely it will give a smooth finish. So definitely, as a professional makeup artist, I'll recommend these products for a daily usage. And this has amazingly 6 ranges of skin tone shades. Okay, so you can pick accordingly, and for 449, definitely this worth it. Okay, so it is breathable, it is a smooth finish, it is skin like finish, it is a dewy finish, it will stay longer and longer. And this act as a two-in-one, because it has a primer, it has a foundation within, so you don't want to apply separately. So overall, this is a 10 out of 10. Definitely all the girls over there can buy this, and I just love this packaging. From the packaging, from the to the price and to the finish, I'll give a 10 out of 10. So I love this product. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.